Good morning, children. Today we will read chapter 14 in Moral Science. The title of the chapter is On Growing Up. In this chapter, it has been given that as our body grows and develops, so also our mind develops and it also grows up. It is called the process of growth. We experience some changes in our body during puberty or adolescence. We grow out of childhood into adulthood. So we try to solve some of our problems all by ourselves. When we get matured, teenagers become very moody in this time. They also learn how to handle responsibility. They begin to see things in a different way also. And communication becomes more difficult in this stage. What does it mean? Teenagers start spending most of the time in the company of friends. So the difference between thinking of children and their parents, it is called generation gap. It can be solved by sharing the ideas with one another. There should be open talk between the growing up children and their parents on different issues. Let's talk about the major problems of growing ups. My dear children, in teenager, the major problem of teenagers are youngsters get addicted to drinking, smoking, that results in stress or depression, and they become more conscious of their body image and self-esteem. At this stage, the teenager should be guided in proper way. They should be given the correct direction by the parents and teachers. And one more thing, generation gap is a difference of attitude and opinions between people of different generations that leads to lack of understanding. Where there will be lack of understanding between the children and parents, it is called generation gap. But in fact, we rely most for advice on our parents only and teachers only because they are more experienced to advise us in the right direction for making our career children. So we should always follow the advice given by our parents and teachers and we should obey them. There are some restrictions also that are imposed by parents on the children. They say that not to roam with the friends, uh, don't grow up nails, don't use mobile, don't play all the time. So all such restrictions are imposed which are not liked by teenagers. On the other hand, some restrictions are also imposed by teachers on the children. They say that don't talk, don't grow nails, don't shout, don't bite your nails, don't eat too much fast food. So all these things restrict the children and children don't like it. So here important thing is that here the children should be guided in the correct direction and they should be made understand by the parents and teachers at teenage.